Good morning, everyone. It's Kai Quinn here. It's a new day. It's actually really beautiful out. It's like 60 degrees. I'm only wearing the beanie for the aesthetic. I feel like I always wear one in my videos, so it would be weird if I just stopped now. But come the summer, I'm not wearing them. I'm currently on my way to Tyler's. Per usual, I feel like I haven't done an opening to the vlog in my car in a while, so here we are. I haven't seen my car in almost a week just because they've been busy with all the wiring. Our schedules haven't been lined up. I started a new job. Just trying to finish everything up so I can bring my car home and start wrapping it. So I'll see you when I get to Tyler's, aka right now. Okay, so it looks like Tyler left me this side to finish up and the passenger side to do. He only did the fuel filter and some of the driver's side brake, but it's fine. We're gonna look at the wiring. Looks so much cleaner.
This is gonna mount. We're gonna make a piece to hold it, just so it stays like that, so you can get to it.
And obviously need to get to this side. This is the new top. Notice anything different? There's no slit. And also, a glass window. Quick fit check. I'm dressed like a blue-collared man. So I got my handy dandy impact gun. Gonna tighten the spacer, leaving the wheel off so we can lower the car more. Let's get into it.
Yeah, get into it.
One, two, 3, 4. Time to attack the other side.
It may not be strong enough.
Yeah, I'm just gonna use the big gun. We're using the big gun.
The big one.
Wow, that's a beautiful view of my back. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna time lapse this part, but I'm gonna take off the spacer, the crusty brackets and the caliper, and the old pads.
They said I just got a bop, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. I just she ain't got a butt, now fuck it, get into it, yo. And I said I just got a bop, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church.
Rotor is stuck, no problem. Call Kai Quinn.
There you go.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
Don't drop that da-da-da. Hey, don't drop that da-da-da.
Alright, so I went ahead and sprayed my bracket and my caliper with the caliper paint. So we're gonna wait for that to dry. Gonna screw in the cal for the meantime.
If she ain't got a butt, fuck it, get into it, yo. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these cons like you the Batman. You just wanna ball out in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shoddy. I ain't give you nothing, you got comfort, shoddy. I got plenty things you make a run for, shoddy. Call him Ed Sheeran, he in love.
Okay, so we got the cal on. We're gonna throw the hood on.
I said get into it, yo. I just she ain't got a butt, now fuck it, get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball.
Okay, so I just did another coat on the bracket and the caliper. It should be dry in like 5 seconds, but I'm gonna put on my spacer for now. I put on the new rotor, cut the studs so they're annoying to thread on.
Don't be tripping.
Alright, so my ADHD ass is hopping around again. We're gonna do the fans on my rad. I got some Mishimoto fans. Sounds like that. What was that flip phone back in the day?
Nokia?
No. Started with an M. But yeah, I got these noise fans in here. If I can bend the box back, that'd be nice. Now, I didn't get the Mishimoto rad because I heard mixed reviews about it. I heard Koyo was better by a long shot regardless. But I got their fans, so I guess it makes up for it, right? It looks like they gave us some new shiny bolts to put on. Don't mind my gross ass hands. Oh my god, at least my nails still look good. Yeah, it won't take too long. Also, Kylie. All right. Got the bolts. Okay. Gonna put the rubber on. Alright, this is gonna be my first time doing this, so let's see if I do it right. Okay. Now we're gonna flip this and screw everything in. Just make sure it's tight. Good to go. Better look. So as you guys can see, you're in my car. I'm gonna be tightening the brackets. I think I put these in the wrong ones, so I'm just gonna double check. Oh, you guys definitely can't fucking see. It's fine. You fell on me. All right, so we got the bracket on with the pads. Time for the caliper part. Okay, so rear brakes are done. Finito. And we are done for today. We will be back Thursday. Gonna drop my rad in. Wiring should be done. Gonna do my side skirts, put all the fluids in, valve cover on, and I should be able to take the car home on Thursday. So, getting there. Like I keep saying too, on Thursday, we're gonna lower and camber the car more and fix my fitment. For now, I'm gonna go home and edit this video so you guys have something. I need to make an update. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys Thursday.
Yeah, if you go to church, if she ain't got a butt, fucking get it to you. Thank you, Nikki.